Hi everyone, welcome to Momuscraft. In this video, we'll create a toucan mask. If you didn't know, this channel has many more masks like this one, so I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. First, we'll download the PDF with the templates. You'll find the link in the description. The fastest way would be to print the templates directly on colored cardstock, but if you prefer, you can print them on regular paper and then glue the pieces onto colored cardstock. The third option is to use the colored templates. In that case, you would only need to print them on white cardstock. Remember that there's also a smaller version of the templates for kids. We'll need 1 sheet of red cardstock, 1 light blue, 1 orange, 1 yellow, 2 black, and 4 light green sheets. If you use the colored templates, you'll only need 8 white cardstock sheets. Here are the pieces. The first page of the templates has pieces in different colors. Pieces 17 and 19 will be orange, pieces 18 and 21 will be red, and piece 20 will be light blue. The second page will be yellow, the third and fourth pages will be black, and from the 5th page onward, the pieces will be light green. In addition to cutting each piece, we'll also need to fold along the lines. If you don't remember how to fold them, here's a short video that shows you how to do it correctly. And now we'll start building. The first pieces we'll use are numbers 1 and 2. We'll join them like this. Next, we'll continue with the yellow pieces. We'll apply glue to the tabs of piece 3 to connect it with piece 4, and to the tabs of piece 5 to connect it with piece 6. Once they're ready, we'll attach one on each side. Pieces 3 and 4 on the left and pieces 5 and 6 on the right. Now with these 4 pieces, we'll create the upper part of the toucan's beak. We'll shape piece 7 and attach it to piece 8. Then we'll shape piece 9 and attach it to piece 10. We'll join these 2 parts together to create the beak, so we'll add glue to the tabs along the edge to connect them. Piece number 11 will help us keep the beak's shape, so we'll slowly add it to the bottom part like this. Now we'll move on to creating the lower part of the beak. For this, we'll use pieces 12, 13, and 14. We'll shape them by joining the tabs of pieces 12 and 13, and then connecting them together. Next, we'll apply glue to the tabs of piece 14 to attach it to the 2 pieces we just formed. I'd love for you to comment which other mask you'd like me to make. Once the lower part of the beak is ready, we'll carefully attach it to the mask. The mask is almost finished. We just need to add the details that will make it even more colorful. Pieces 15 and 16 are two long pieces that will attach right where the beak begins. Piece 15 on the top and piece 16 on the bottom. Pieces 17, 18, and 19 will form the colors on the upper part of the beak. We'll shape piece 18 and attach pieces 17 and 19 to the sides. Once it's ready, we'll add glue inside and attach it to the top of the beak like this. Pieces 20 and 21 are the final ones. We'll add glue to attach piece 21 on top of piece 20. Then we'll add glue to piece 20 to attach it to the lower part of the beak like this. And this is how our toucan mask looks when it's completely finished. Remember that you can support this content by joining Momuscraft Premium, where you'll be able to download any template from the channel without ads. Thank you so much for watching the video.